Hey guys, Matt Jones here. Hey, stick around. I'm going to tell you how you can get hold of 3 months access to the Ultimate Property Hub membership site in a second. But first I want to share with you a bit of a view where I've been staying the last week with the family, having a little family holiday at Heron Island, just off the coast of Gladstone, which is, whoa, tide's coming in, getting hammered here. It's a beautiful part of the world if you do get a chance to come here. And take the seaplane in, actually. You fly over the reef on the way in. Lots of wildlife, lots of marine life, bird life. There's like 70,000 birds here. Turtles just cruising past all day, dropping eggs at night, little hatchlings going back into the water. It's a very special place to be. So I might post some pictures for you guys. But hey, I just want to remind you about the Gold Coast Property Group meeting coming up Thursday next week at the Burleigh Head Surf Club. Lots of people are already booking in, which is fantastic to see. It's the first one for the year, so I haven't been in a lot of communication this year yet with you guys. So I'm looking forward to reconnecting at the meeting. So make sure you come along. Usual $10 if you pay online, 15 at the door. A host of really good speakers, as we always do. But the really good thing about these nights is the things that happen in between the presentations. You know, the cups of tea and coffee, the getting there early, you know, the networking breaks. That's the magic at those meetings, okay? So come along to that. You'll meet potential joint venture partners, meet some friends, colleagues, whatever. You know, it's just a really good night, really friendly bunch of people, and we have a lot of fun there. So I'm looking forward to coming down once we get off this beautiful island. So we'll be at the Burleigh Head Surf Club, 6:30 Thursday next week. I'll put a link underneath this video so you can book yourself in. And yeah, really excited to come and see you guys. The first one for 2020, kick off the year really well. Right, I'm going to give away a membership. 3 months membership to the Ultimate Property Hub. That means you get access to all my DIY kits, the renovation, subdivision, property development, and joint venture kits, okay? Fantastic resources, plus a whole bunch of other really cool resources, all the videos we've been recording over the years with the property group meetings, the real deals, the case studies. So yeah, I'm going to give away that to someone. You just need to show up, put your name in a hat, and we'll pull it during the night so that you can be one of the lucky people to join us in the Ultimate Property Hub community, which is really cool. So come along, see you there. There'll be a whole bunch of us. We'll have a lot of fun, and I'll show you some photos maybe from the Heron Island trip that we've just experienced, which has been really cool. Bye for now, guys. See you at the Burleigh Head Surf Club next week, Thursday, 6:30. Bye for now.